Hey, what's up you guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Quincey Lee, and this week I wanted to get a little bit creative. Now, I'm not someone who really identifies as an artist, but I think the point of this week's video for me is really to encapsulate that creativity doesn't have to be something that you're like naturally gifted at. I think everyone has a creative soul inside of them, and you should always nourish that, even if it's something small, like doing a small painting or what we're doing in this week's video. I bought this jacket a few months back with the full intention of doing something fun with it. And I was digging through my old jewelry drawer the other day and found some really cool old pieces that I never wear anymore. But I thought it might be fun to repurpose into my jacket. The jacket I'm going to show to you right now cost me $30 from Topshop. It was on sale and it's really cute. I've already put some distressed holes into it. I'm really excited to just play around and do something fun and cheap that's really going to add something fun to my wardrobe. So stick around, keep watching, and I hope you enjoy and get some ideas. So here's my jacket in all her glory, and here are my materials. I have some needle and thread. These are the necklaces I'm thinking of using because I want to do a pearl jacket, a Red Bull, you know, for emotional support, and my cat also for emotional support, but honestly he kind of stresses me out. Kitty! Oh, he's leaving me and showing his butt. I also got some scissors and some pliers as well, just to help me with breaking up my pieces of jewelry. All right, let's get to destroying. All right, we got 3 done. Woohoo! So mean. Successfully removed all the pearls from this necklace. It wasn't too hard. Pliers really are clutch. Now on to this little string necklace. First incision. So I think this is like a good idea of what my placement's gonna be for the pearls. They don't like, they keep rolling around when I place them, but like this is like the general idea that I'm going for.
6.5 hours later.
All right, it's day 2 of this project. Things are going well, and I want to incorporate this little necklace here. I'm thinking I'll do some embellishments, so stay tuned.
2,000 years later.
So it's basically day 3. The jacket's done. I'm really happy with it, but there has been no sewing footage. Sewing time took me probably around 4 hours. So I guess I just wanted to show, like, yes, I did actually do the sewing. I'm not just like snubbing you with footage. I just thought that would be really boring to watch. So I'm gonna sew the last pearl on, and then it is complete. Okay, here's the final jacket after. As you can see, I put pearls all across the top. And I even have some really cute details. I've got these little sparkles here and also on the pocket. And yeah, I'm super happy with it. I think it makes it look really dope. I'm really proud of myself for accomplishing this because I've never sewn a day in my life. So this is like very much new for me. And for it to come out like looking like something you could buy at the store is like, means a lot to me. So if you're gonna take away anything from this, maybe you don't want to DIY your own jacket, but basically just try new things, challenge yourself, challenge your creativity, and you might surprise yourself. Anyway, thanks for watching this week's video. I hope to see you on the next one. Bye guys.